When we want to use Python for higher mathematics, we need to include additional packages. One of them is Numpy and the other is Scipy. Now, to install these packages, it's a little bit tricky. So I'll take you step by step. So first of all, run the cmd command, which will open a command window, and here type Python. Now, if it says Python 3.7.0 or something like that, then that means Python is there. And it is giving you Python prompt. Okay, so let's exit out of Python. Now, sometimes what will happen is when you type Python, it will give you an error message saying this is not a recognized command. In which case, if you are sure that Python has been installed, what you will have to do is figure out where exactly Python is installed. So let's go to wherever it is installed. We have been using idle, so right button click, more, open file location. Now you see idle, Python, these are all shortcuts basically. So again, let's right button click on this, open file location. Now it has taken us to the Python folder. So the location is C:program files Python 37. So let's copy this and close this. Now I can directly type like this. So \Python. Okay, if I give like this Python, it gives me a problem because I'm using proper Windows names. So let's say path is equal to this, and now let's say Python, right? So it is giving you Python. Now that we have access to that Python folder, now let's clear the screen and start installing the other packages. When Python is installed, there is a particular program called pip, which is also installed, right? So we use the pip to install other packages and to upgrade pip itself. So this is usually the first thing that we should run whenever we are trying to install other packages, is to first upgrade the pip itself. So Python -m pip install upgrade pip, and for this particular user, right? Now it says requirement already up to date. That means it is already upgraded to the latest version. If it was not, then it would have downloaded and installed it. Now we use pip to install Numpy. It is downloading the package, 13.5 MB size. So it might take some time depending on your broadband speed. So now it has downloaded it. Now it will start installing. Could not install packages due to an environment error. Access is denied. So instead of getting into the nitty-gritties of this, let's just add this additional parameter. That means for this user only. Now it's already been downloaded, so it will just start installing directly. Okay, successfully installed Numpy. Okay, any additional packages as and when required, we can install it. But since I know that in future we will be requiring another package called Scipy, let me just install it now itself. Downloaded. Now it is installing. Successfully installed Scipy. So that is the installation of packages in Python. Let's close off this and bye.